Hi, welcome back to Guru Design Lab. I am Guru and today we are modeling this 3D symmetric component for exercise 22. I will show you the fastest way to handle these complex arcs and patterns in SolidWorks. Hit subscribe, open your SolidWorks and let's get started. So first we need to close this exercise and we start from the sketch. Select any plane and go to sketch. Take a center line and select for midpoint line. Select, select center line. Select it for midpoint line. Create it vertical. Take another center line at here. Select and go to dimension. Measure it for 86.6. Measure it for 50 mm. Create a circle at the origin of radius. This one is 80 mm and this one is 100 mm. Create another circle at this point. Go to dimension and measure it for 60 mm and 80 mm. Center line. Select. Oh, this entity is outside. Press smart dimension. Measure it for 100 mm. Press smart dimension. Measure it for 60 mm and 80 mm. Select OK. Go to arc and select 3-point arc at here. Make it tangent. Select these both lines and select tangent here. Go to smart dimension and the radius is 12 mm. Sorry, 20 mm. Select 3-point arc. At same here, the 20 mm is required. Go to smart dimension and measure it for 20 mm. Make these lines tangent. Select with control button these two lines so with that can make it tangent. At 3-point arc, make an arc here. Make the both radius of 20 mm. Make these lines tangent. Also this. this tangent, this tangent. Okay. We need to cut these extra entities. This is not required. Trim entities. Select trim entities and trim these extra entities. Select OK. Go to line. Make this complete profile. Trim entities and trim this also. Select OK. Go to mirror entities and select these lines. Select mirror about. Select these lines and these lines. Okay. Set it OK and trim this entities. Trim entities and trim this extra entities. Okay. Go to features tab and select extrude bosses and extrude it up to 10 mm. You can see here. This is ready. Select OK. So this is how, and this exercise 22 completed. If this tutorial helped you, drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe Guru Design Lab and for more SolidWorks challenges. I am Guru. See you in the next video. Thank you guys.